What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa videong ito, first time kong gagawa ng reaction video sa FPW or Filipino Pro Wrestling. So sa mga hindi nakakatanong, fan din ako ng mga wrestling eh. Gaya nila John Cena, Randy Orton, Batista, AJ Styles, yan. At yung iba pa, bale yun yung mga kinalakihan kong wrestler. So, bali sa video ito, panonoodin natin. Ang title ay FPW Fastig Mike Madrigal versus Marky. Yan. So, make sure magsusubscribe kayo dito kay FPW and kay FPW. Pasensya na kung hindi ako nagpaalam sa iyo. Sana magustuhan mong nakagawa ko ng reaction video sa iyo. So, wag natin patagalin to. Let's go sa go.
Really quickly.
The bro chants are actually drowning out Mike Madrigal's chant. He looks good. Marky looks like he's ready.
Marky is an underrated performer. He just panders
Boom!
to the crowd
Lakas
so
nun.
much, so people.
Oh my god.
Mike Madrigal is our most complete wrestler here
Oops.
in FPW roster. But
Uy, ang galing. Uy, ang galing.
sabi nga sa
Oh.
bilog ang bola, anything can happen
Sa
here.
pa nga, ulitin natin. Namanga ako dun eh.
Complete wrestler here in FPW roster. But it's sabi nga sa
Uy, ang galing oh.
bilog ang bola, anything can happen here. But
Boom.
arm drags
Wow.
from Marky.
Marky pulling a fast.
Ang ganda nung ginawa niyang yun. Yung parang minabali yung braso mo. Tapos biglang kumounter siya, umikot-ikot siya. Diba? Ang ganda nung counter ni Marky.
On Mike Madrigal.
Frog. Hip toss.
Oops, hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
Nope.
Mabigat daw. Solid yun, isa pa nga.
Nope.
Boom! Ay.
Package
Oops,
grab.
pile driver.
Oh my god.
Ay, nako, wala.
Marky got away. Ooh, shoulder block.
Uy!
Slam in the center of the
Ang lupit
Marky
nun.
in the second
Isa
rope.
pa nga. Boom!
Slam in the center of
Ang galing.
Marky in the second rope. Another axe handle here. Nope.
Boom! Yun lang.
Forearms.
Solid.
Right to the face of
That
Marky.
right to the
So, bali ano lang to, mga highlights pala nito ng laban nila ni Mike Madrigal versus Marky. Ang galing yung Marky para sa akin. Ang liksi niya kumilos.
Mike Madrigal requests you stop chanting Michael.
Ano daw?
Chanting Michael.
Marky now getting whipped into the ropes.
Boom!
Look at the strength of Mike Madrigal.
Marky
With the
was going for crossbody.
right
Namaki
towards
pa.
our camera.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, into a vertical suplex.
Lakas nun ah.
Jesus Christ.
Ang lakas ng impact. Isa pa nga.
Oh, into a vertical
Boom.
suplex.
Parang kay Goldberg Yung Jack, hindi, sorry. Jack Hammer kung tawagin.
Jesus Christ. Tilt the world.
Aray!
Goodness.
Jesus
Sakit nun.
Christ. I think it's all over. I don't think Marky knows where he is. That's a knee to the spine.
Uy, nakakaano pa rin siya dun
Him being a
Oh,
tag
no.
team competitor. Now he's in the singles scene.
You can't throw 3 rights at Mike and expect all of it.
Boom.
For the Sarsi twist.
Boom!
Goodness.
Red.
A blatant forearm.
Ang
And
lupit
Mikey
nun.
seems fired up, going for the
Ang lupit nun. Ang lakas nun.
patented. No, he's hit up. No, he recovered for a satellite DDT. For the kick out.
Ayan na, nagubad na.
As you said, Poch, we are in a 10-minute mark, and Marky now
Ang galing.
is lighting up a clothesline,
Oh!
a
Lupit.
drop kick, a back roll,
Oh.
knees to the face. Can Marky pull off the upset?
This will be the biggest upset FPW. I know he just.
Grabe,
Oh my goodness! Back and forth
Ang liksi ng
between
Marky.
these two competitors, but Marky wants to seal the deal here. Going up to the top rope, the crowd
Kaya
is
gawin.
gasping.
Oy!
Cross
Sa,
body.
ulitin natin sa panlupit dun nagandahan ako dun.
Top rope, the crowd is gasping.
Santa Cruz
Oh.
cross body. From
Cross
the top
body,
rope
lupit.
and almost out. My God. glad this is just the first match of FPW Astig. We have the cardio. He is untested as a singles competitor. So far in our soft launch shows, he
Ano
has not
gagawin?
made a single victory.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
We had
Oh no, oh no, ano gagawin? Boom!
Here's your winner and advancing.
Ang ganda ng finisher na yun ah. Isa pa nga. Ulitin natin.
We had him high up. Power bomb by Mike Madrigal.
Ang galing. Isa pa ulitin ka. So, sorry ah.
Soft launch shows he has not gained a single victory.
Ang ganda.
Oh, no.
We had him high up. Power bomb
Uy, ang
by
ganda ng finisher na yun. Grabe, ang lakas, ang iba yung power ng Mike Madrigal naman ah. Naiikot niya ng ganun.
Here's your winner and advancing in the FPW.
Saka pa sa akin, sa observation ko, komplikado din yung finisher na yun. Lalo na kung baka magkamali ka, di ba, delikado rin doon sa partner mo dyan sa ring, yung nakakalaban mo pala. Pero ang galing ng ginawa niya.
Championship tournament, Mike Madrigal.
Ano pa, heel to heel, Mike
I don't know if
Madrigal.
Mike Madrigal realizes how much pain he has cost Marky, but he's being assisted out of the ring as we speak.
Like I said, like Marky is
Ayun, last na to. Bale, nakatapos tayo. Sana na, kung nanonood ng FPW, sana nagustuhan yung nakagawa ko ng reaction video sa inyo. Sana kayo din, lalo na yung mga fans ng FPW. Sana nagustuhan din ninyo na nakagawa ko ng reaction video dito sa FPW. So yun, sana nagustuhan niyo tong video. At kung gusto niyo pa ng next wrestling reaction comment nyo na rin dyan sa comment section. Saka comment nyo na rin kung ano yung pinaka nagustuhan yung moves ng dalawa nila Marky and Mike Madrigal. Okay, thank you so much po sa pagsama. See you in my next video and mag-iingat po kayo palagi.